This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Mexico lost the Mexican-American War. We'll start by looking at the internal challenges Mexico faced. Their government struggled with constant changes and a lack of unity, making it hard to mount a strong defense. Meanwhile, the United States possessed significant military advantages, including superior artillery and a more professional army. These factors set the stage for the conflict's outcome. The military disparity between the two nations was stark. The United States benefited from well-trained officers and a more advanced military infrastructure, allowing for effective campaigns. In contrast, Mexican forces often lacked essential supplies and modern weaponry, hindering their ability to resist. American strategy focused on decisive invasions, capturing important ports and the capital, which proved highly effective in weakening Mexican resistance. Beyond military might, Mexico's internal weaknesses played a crucial role. Political factions often prioritized their own power over national unity, undermining any coordinated defense. The sheer size of Mexico's northern territories, combined with poor infrastructure, made it incredibly challenging to move troops and maintain supply lines. This vastness, coupled with regional disunity, further complicated Mexico's ability to defend its borders effectively against the invading forces. Ultimately, the war concluded with the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo. This agreement dramatically reshaped the map of North America, with Mexico ceding vast territories, including present-day California, Nevada, and Utah, to the United States. In return, Mexico received $15 million in compensation. This outcome had profound and lasting impacts on both nations, influencing their development for generations. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.